Hello, 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 Nitish. Am I audible? Can you please confirm? Hi, Gautam. Am I audible? Hi, Saujanya. Can someone please confirm if I'm audible? Yes. Okay. Okay. Great. Great. Now let me just connect this. Let me check. Okay. Now am I audible? Is the voice coming? Okay, okay, great, great. Thank you so much. So maybe some audio issues. Okay, so the agenda of this live session is to connect with you and to give you a kind of updates about the IT jobs. So recently we have got the positive news, and the lot of fundings have also started in the startup companies. The TCS company also got a good report. So there is a good amount of bounce back, you can say, in the IT market, and you can expect good number of job opportunities in the upcoming time. So today we have created a video on the recent IT jobs updates, and it would be uploaded very soon, right? So I wanted to share this positive news with you. Apart from that, if you have anything else, then we can discuss. Hmm? And I would also like to share with you ATS friendly resume template that you can just go through it. You can download this resume, and if you are looking for any kind of discount, then you can apply RD underscore 20. So that would give you 20% discount on this resume template. Hmm? Okay. Now, Indu Reddy is telling no job openings for testing domain. So, Indu, job openings are there. For experienced, the job openings are there, and for freshers also now the openings would be there. And if you are not aware about the job openings, then you can subscribe our channel, and you would get to know about the daily job openings, whether those are work from home, work from office, or hybrid, in this particular video itself, or sorry, in this particular channel. So subscribe this channel to know more updates, to get more updates on the job opportunities. Right, Gotham, how can we crack FANG in testing? So you can crack FANG and you can get a job as a software engineer. So for that, you will have to learn data structures, algorithms. You should be comfortable with those things. Once you are good and those things, then definitely the chances of you getting a job would be higher. Right? Chinmay is telling for 2 years of experience, I am not getting any call. So Chinmay, what kind of 2 years of experience you have? Is it just manual or is it automation as well? So if you are looking for automation, if you're looking as a manual, then yes, the chances would be less, because these days people are looking for test automation as well, right? So you should have some knowledge in the test automation. Ranga Akunari, I can see you, yeah. So you can reschedule your call on top mid. So I remember you, we could not connect last time because you had to rush to the hospital as one of your friend had got admitted. So we can connect next weekend on top mid. Sagar is asking why there's a difference in salary in testing and dev. So, Sagar, this is something that if you understand what is SDET, so SDET is something software development and test. So, if you are making your career as an SDET, then definitely the salary would be same as that of a developer itself, right? Because you can do development, you can do testing as well, right? But if you are doing manual testing, then yes, the salary range would be less. Okay. So there is a question from Shubh. I'm doing UAT in the product-based company and have education gap and done BA. Am I eligible for MNC company? Yes, you are eligible for MNC company. Uh, So there is nothing wrong in that. You are definitely, you can apply in the MNC company for people who are having some kind of career gaps, for people who are having some kind of career breaks. Those people, I would suggest that you can start your profiles, you can start your career in the startups first, right? In the startup companies. Chinmay is asking, should I learn API testing with Postman to get more calls? Yes, definitely. API testing is very important. And then in automation as well, API automation, which you can do using REST assured, that is also very important. Okay. Okay. So let me just see if I can help you with the coupon code. Okay. So this is a link of the ATS friendly resume with the coupon code applied. So here you would get the discount as well, right? You can use RD underscore 20, this link that I have pasted, to get ATS friendly resume. Okay. Okay, now Vikas is asking, I am BSc 2021 pass out. I have career gap and I have knowledge on Java, manual testing, Selenium, WebDriver, REST API. Is it possible to get job in IT? Yes, Vikas, that is possible. You can get the job opportunity in the IT field, right? No problem with that. Ranga Akunari. Do BA earns as much as tester does with the same experience? Ranga, it depends on how much years of experience you have. So if you have same experience, then in which city or in which project you are working. If you are working in the project in which the client is billing you, then your salary would be good. If you are working in a product-based company as a BA, at the same time you are working as a tester in a service-based company, then definitely the BA salary would be more compared to the tester, right? Okay. Shubham is asking, which has more opportunities, Python with Selenium or Java with Selenium? So Java with Selenium, right? Nowadays, calls are very less when call strength will increase. So Kanchan, I have uploaded one video. It would be live around after 1 hour, right? You can watch this video, and I cannot tell you about the certain dates or certain time period, but yes, the job opportunities, the job market would be opening very soon because we have got the positive updates from most of the places, right? Okay, Gaurav is asking, how much CTC can we expect with around 8 years of overall QA automation experience? So 8 years of experience, you can multiply it with 3 or 4, so that much salary you can get. So maybe between 25 to 30 lakhs you can easily earn if you're living in a metro cities, right? As a non-IT person, which course will learn to get IT job? So if you are in a non-IT person, then it is very important that you learn the software testing fundamental first, right? You learn about manual testing first, you learn about QA first, and then you can learn about the test automation or REST API automation. Okay. Uh, Shomik is asking, sir, will AI take QA jobs? No, not at all. Abhishek is asking, sir, right now I am Java developer with 4 years. I'm not comfortable with coding. Can I change my domain in testing? Yes, of course, you can change, right? There is no problem with that. And I'll also tell you the different areas. So let me know once my screen is visible. Okay. Are you able to see my screen? Is my screen visible to you? Just a second. I wanted to share this. Yeah. Okay, now is my screen visible? Uh, yeah. So if you want to make your career in QA, then or SDET. So if you want to become an SDET, then Selenium, APM, TestNG, C Sharp, Java, or Python, one of this programming language and SQL you should know. if you are having 3 to 7 years of experience, right? So Abhishek, I think you were looking for 4 years of Java experience you have in coding, but now you want to switch to testing. So you can go in either of these two phases, right? QA SDET 1 or senior QA SDET 2, right? So any one of these things would work for you. Okay. Okay. Uh, Anshu's Creations with Kitchen is asking what are the automation topics with more focus for experienced interview. So if you are looking for an automation testing interview questions, then you can go through the various playlists that we are uploading. You'll get questions on automation framework. You'll get questions on what are your roles and responsibilities of the automation. So let me just share that also with you. So there is a digital product that we have created. What are the best practices that you are following in automation? What is your Selenium test automation framework? So you can go through this particular link. You'll get this product, how to answer these particular questions that I was just telling you, and then how to explain the Selenium test automation framework. That is also a very important question. So these are all the digital products you can download, and you can use them in your day-to-day career-based interviews and in your day-to-day life also, right? So these things will be very important. Okay. Now, um Kalyan is asking fresher able to get automation jobs or not. So if you are a fresher, you can get automation jobs, but for that you will have to be very thorough with the automation topics, with the automation concepts, right? Bhushan is asking expected salary for 3 years automation experience person in Bangalore. You can get up to 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. How to learn prompt engineering as a non-IT person. So Anurag, if you want to learn prompt engineering, then you can just learn about ChatGPT. You can learn about various prompts that you can enter, right? So there are various online resources that you can work with, and you can learn prompt engineering, right? But again, prompt engineering demand is not that much as the demand for automation is there. I would suggest if you learn AI with testing, that would help you a lot in your career, right? So have that kind of practice. Okay. Then Pallavi is asking, I am having 5 years of experience in testing, but having a gap of 8 years. I have done a Selenium course, tried giving 3 to 4 interviews, but could not clear. So Pallavi, don't worry. You can give a mock interviews, and just drop an email to us. What we would do is we would try to schedule mock interviews for you, right? And if possible, I'll try to give some free mock interviews as well, because you are having a kind of career gaps and all these things. So we'll try to help you in getting the job. So if any of you are having kind of career gaps, career breaks, or you are trying to switch from non-IT to IT, then go for these mock interviews. Just book the slots on mock interviews on TopMate, and then we'll connect. So Pawan is asking, how can I get good hands-on experience with respect to API testing? So for API testing, we have created one playlist. So let me share that playlist link with you, which would be helpful to you in doing real-time experience. So yeah, so here is the link for API testing using Postman. You can go through these videos and you can get the hands-on experience as well, right? Important topics of Java. So for Java, what I would suggest is you subscribe this channel that I am giving to you. Let me just link. So if you want to learn Java, then you can subscribe this channel. So we have created a new channel which is RD Technical Learning, and in that we are posting all the videos related to core Java interviews, core Java mock interviews for freshers, for experienced, as well as the Java programming interview questions asked, right? So those things you can get over there. Uh, so there is a question for roadmap on testing. So we are working on that, and we have already created a video. So in this particular week, you will get that as well, right? But meanwhile, please hit on the like button if you think this live session is useful, and we should continue connecting every Sunday like this. So please do hit the like button. Okay, now someone is asking for freshers. So here is one of the job opportunity by the Centric company. They are hiring freshers in the Hyderabad location. So these are the links that you can apply. Okay, Anusha is telling I have resigned my last employment without getting hike. If my last CTC was 5 lakhs per annum and did not receive hike for the last year, how much can I expect for 4 years experience and 2.5 into testing? So if you have 2.5 to 3 years of experience in manual testing, you can expect somewhere around 8 lakhs. If you have automation experience, you can expect around 12 lakhs. So that's how you can expect. And don't worry, even if you don't get the hike, definitely you should switch. Even if you're on bench, you should switch, right? Akshay is telling, sir, please cover more success stories. Good afternoon, Rohit. How are you? Uh, yeah. So, Akshay, yes, definitely will cover. But for that, actually, we need the support from the community as well. So, if anyone of you are getting a job in the field of IT, field of software testing, then please come forward and please do share your success stories with us. Prashant is asking, we can learn one tool with one language. Is it enough soon? So, Prashant, if you would have been in 2015, 2020, then it would have been enough. But as currently, if you see 2024, you need to have more knowledge with respect to languages, with respect to tools, frameworks, and then only you would be able to, get a good hike, a good job with a good hike in the field of software testing, right? So, Kirti is telling. I'm having 2.6 years experience in automation and manual testing. How much can I expect? So if you are having 2.6, so that if you include notice period also, so that would again come to 3 years, right? So you can expect 10 to 15 lakhs per annum in cities like Bangalore, Pune, Gurgaon, Noida. Okay, how to contact you personally? So you can just go to this TalkMate link, right? So here is my TalkMate link. You can book a session, you can book a mock interview, you can book 1:1 mentorship, right? And the rates that I have kept are very nominal. It is like 80 rupees for career guidance. For mock interview, it is 99, and mock interview would be of 30 minutes, in which if you are not able to answer, then I'll be answering on your behalf. So all those things we are covering, right? Uh, so you can connect with us. Uh, Nick is asking, I have 5 years of Selenium Java experience of testing. I want to switch company. How do I prepare for interview? So if you want to prepare for interviews, and then you can go through this. Let me share this link with you. Okay. So here is a link of the interview questions. Okay. So here we have collected Capgemini interview questions, right? And you can get these kind of questions. You can prepare these kind of questions. Okay, let me ask you one question also. Are you looking for some kind of question bank? So let me start one poll here. Okay. So uh, I wanted to know if you people are looking for some kind of question bank from different companies. Are you looking just for questions, or you are looking for both questions as well as answers? And also let me know what should be the nominal amount that you guys would be willing to pay for these particular things. So do you need just questions, or do you need both questions with answers, right? Okay, now let us continue. uh, Nishank is asking, sir, unable to find any automation jobs as a fresher. So, Nishank, you would get multiple jobs as a fresher uh, for automation as well as for manual testing. So, uh, don't try to get into the automation job from the various things at the very beginning. First, get a job into the testing, irrespective of whether it is from the manual or whether it is from the automation, right? So, Bobby is asking, I learned Python and now switching to Java. Is that right? I would go with one program language at a time, or can I learn Java also? So learn one programming language at a time. So this is as per the roadmap also that I have created. So I have created one video on roadmap also. In that I have clearly told that, and it would be uploaded in this particular week. It has been clearly mentioned that first learn one programming language at one time, and then go for the another programming language. Okay. NCP is asking, I am in manual QA now. Which career path to choose for good salary hike or package? So let me again share that Excel file. See, if you are looking for good packages, if you are looking for uh, the hike in your current company as well, then you need to go for the automation. But if you are a fresher, then don't worry about getting into the automation at the very first. Right here is the sheet, right? I believe this is displayed, this is visible. So see, if you are looking as a fresher, then you can start your career as a QA, as an estate. If you want to uh, get a good hike, if you are already an experienced person and you are looking to switch in your career in different companies, then learn automation, right? When I say automation, and here are the tools that you need to learn with respect to the number of years of experience, right? And if you are into the testing, then you should be doing these particular kind of things. If you are not doing such kind of things, and if you're just executing test cases, then it's not gonna help you, right? You have to be part of all these particular things, right? See, with respect to automation, what are the different responsibilities, roles and responsibilities with respect to different years? So that is very important, right? So you should be aware about these particular tools. Okay, how to deal with the career gap? So if you have career gap, then don't worry. You can tell upfront in an interview that these so and so were the reasons, that's why you got the career gap. So that is fine, that is genuine things that are happening with most of the people, right? Don't worry. But what you have to do is, in the meanwhile, whichever tools or whichever technologies have got in the market, so those things you need to learn, right? So that would be important. Okay. Okay. So one of the poll is, are you looking for the question bank? So the answer is yes, question with answers from different companies. Okay. So that would be provided to you. I've got 60 votes, and out of that 60% are telling. Okay. Now, uh, are you looking for free playlist on testing fundamentals? Okay, free playlist on testing fundamentals. Are you looking for it or not? So the first option is yes, with two videos in a week. So see, I'm taking interviews also, and it would take some time to create such kind of videos. So it cannot be done in a month. It would take some time, right? Or the next option is no, not at all. So, are you looking for some free playlist on software testing fundamentals or on testing fundamentals with real time examples, real time projects? So, the first option is yes with two videos per week. Second option is yes with four videos per week. And the last option is no, not at all. So, if you're not looking at for those playlists, then you will not be creating those kind of videos at all. And we'll be continuing with the mock interviews. Tosca automation openings. So, Tosca is actually a paid tool. Um, I'm not aware about what is your name. It's only written K. So Tosca is actually a paid tool which is used in the companies which generally have purchased those licenses. It is not used by all of the companies. So there are very less requirements, the job requirements as of now, but as and when it will come, we'll definitely share with you. Okay, why anyone does not talk about the life science domain in IT sector? Okay, so that's a good topic. So I'll create a video on that. Life science domain. So can you throw some more light? What is the domain about? And then I'll do some research on my part and I'll create videos on that. Okay, Hari is asking. Uh, I'm working in non-IT for a year, planning to change as QA. How can I prepare myself to change my career? So first, learn about testing fundamentals, testing concepts like SDLC, software testing lifecycle, agile testing, right? What are the pros and cons of agile uh, over waterfall? Those things are important. And then you need to learn about the SQL. You need to learn about test case design, test case execution, test case creation using testing techniques like boundary value analysis, equivalence partitioning. Those things are very important, right? So those are all the things that you can learn, and then you can go with the automation. So this is how you need to start your career. Okay. Is Selenium with Python good in future? So yes, Vamsi, it is good. Either Python or Java, whichever you want to do, you can learn. And first, I would go with the Java first, right? That is having more demand compared to Python. So don't worry for learning Java or Python. Both are equally important. Okay. Tejas is asking, sir, currently I'm working in one of the big four firms, having 1.7 years of experience in manual or automation, pretty much good at what is the right time to switch. So switch after 2 months, right? Switch after 2 months because market will open now. Do some good preparation, give some interviews, right? And then come to our channel also to give mock interviews. I would be happy to connect with you, right? At the same time, I would be requesting everyone who is watching this live sessions, if you think that our videos are helping you, if you think our content on the channel is helping you, then please watch ads. It would help me to get paid from the YouTube videos. Also, let us know what kind of content you are looking. Also share success stories with us so that other people can also get motivated. And don't worry, if you want, then your personal identity will not be revealed, right? We'll take care of those things as well, but please do come forward and share your success stories with us. How did you get selected? How did you give interviews? What were the different rounds did you give? So all those things would be there. Okay. Okay, Vishnu Vardhan is asking 3 years of experience, not getting calls. So Vishnu Vardhan, there are various reasons that can be there, right? See, first is whether you are having automation experience or not. Next is whether you are having a kind of um, resume properly updated or not, right? So here is the link for that ATS resume in which I have already applied 20% discount. You can get this ATS resume, right? at the cheaper cost with 20% discount, right? Someone is asking, where are you living and where is your family? So I think let's focus more on the intellectual questions, right? Okay, Pavi is telling, I learned Selenium basically. Now I want to go with API in Jenkins or go with Java. So if you learn Python with Selenium, then go for API testing, go for Jenkins. And once this is done, then you need to go for Java, right? So please hit on the like button, right? Please hit on the like button. That is very important. Okay. So please continue voting on this poll. Are you looking for free playlist on testing fundamentals, software testing, manual testing? So if you are looking, then please tell me the number of videos also that you are looking. Someone is telling yes with 2 videos per week. Someone is telling yes with 4 videos per week. So please let me know, right? Okay, Sushant is asking, how do you see a testing careers growth in upcoming 3 to 4 years? So that is, if you have already learned testing, you should go for automation, and in the upcoming 3 to 4 years, you can see lot of job opportunities coming in that section, right? So learn software testing. That is going to be very important for you. Okay, what else? Utsav is asking, what should be the experienced package with 4.5 years of experience? So if you're having 4.5 years of experience in testing, and if you're living in metropolitan cities like Bangalore, Pune, Gurgaon, Noida, so I'm repeating again, you need to multiply with 3 or 4 based on the automation experience that you have. So if you have 5 years or 4.5 years, multiply it with 3 to 4, so you can expect somewhere the package between 15 to 20 lakhs per annum. You can expect more, right? But if you are having manual, then you can expect a bit less compared to that. Okay, Bad Boy is asking, what about the testing scope in this year? So yes, there is a lot of good scope in the testing field. Yeah. So someone is telling audible. Yes, yes, I'm audible, right? Okay. So I'll continue. If I'm not audible or if I'm not visible, please mention in the comment section. I'll see what are the issues. Okay. So we were discussing about the testing careers with respect to freshers or with respect to experience. So that has got a lot of scope, a lot of good career opportunities you will get in this particular year. So stick with the fundamentals, learn testing, right? And it would help you a lot, right? So I need to wind up now, right? And would be connecting with you every Sunday like this. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share this videos with the maximum people in your network as well, right? Roadmap for automation tester. So yes, so that is actually created. That video is already there. It would be uploaded in this particular week. Apart from that, we'll also start a new playlist on software testing soon, right? How to get mock interview. So you can go to the top meet links and you can get good number of you can book for the mock interviews. So here is the link for booking mock interview as well. So it is at a very nominal cost. So let me just share that mock interview link with you. Right, here is the link to get the mock interview sessions, right? You need to pay 99 rupees, and if you wish to, you can pay more as well, right? So thank you so much for coming today into this live sessions. I'm so happy to connect with each and every one of you. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share our channel in your group, in your network. So thank you so much once again, and wish you all the best for your careers.